asuntoskeuyhtiö Lahden Keijukainen.
Today it's the 28th of September 2022. We have Tapparakatu one staircase, and this is the first staircase in this change everything. We filled out 5 out of 5 this time at the same time. They were completely impossible, but we did it. You see the Keijupuisto, Lahti, Finland. And here in Keijupuisto we still have 3 more imported elevators to be filled as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Only 3. Sound works. Serial number SH 6693 16693. Will be inspected in the next year, 2023. And I love the smell in here.
Same, yeah.
It sounds, but the lights are on.
Yeah.
I wonder if it should go like.
Yeah, but this guy up. It just.
The postwoman.
Yeah, it just went. Istuttiinpa kiva istuttaa näiden paikalla.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and you can watch more of the 4 other steps. This here is essential pudding.
That's